I see you sitting there, controller in your hand.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are in this planet Earth. Mga kaibigang awesome, Mr. Bros nga po pala, and for today's video, you might have seen the previous video that I have uploaded on my YouTube. Just highlight about the hard case that I bought. People are currently a little bit conflicted about buying this new Legion Go 2 Z2 Extreme. So what I did, I'm still reluctant anyway. Aside from having the price, I still fond of my OG Legion Go Z1 Extreme. This device still does what I need, and it's enough. I want to shout out Mr. Chris Cruz from the Philippines for doing this kind of hard case for the Legion Go. Bringing this hard case from the Philippines to Dubai. Yeah, thank you so much, pare. Anyway, guys, let's go on this hard case. I want to highlight everything about this hard case. So, okay, at first glance, I have this. This is how it looks when it was already installed. So basically, guys, if you want to install this one, you have to disassemble, remove the screws from the original backplate, and you just only have to clamp this one or clip directly. You don't have to put any screws after. It's like a hard case and a backplate all in one, and it doesn't require you to put screws. It's really tightly grip, so you don't have to worry about if ever you are having this doubt of it might lose. Yeah, I can say that it's really sturdy like that. Aside from that, okay, it has some kind of Allen screw here holding this and the back like that. And also, you see this bump right at the back. The some people are doing SSD upgrade, and the SSD that pre-default inside this Legion Go is a little bit expensive. So if you want to upgrade in much more higher storage, I guess you have to select the other SSD. Just I heard it's 2280 NVMe. You know, prop it up, and there would be a compartment for the new SSD, which is cheaper, affordable, and is enough to give us huge space. I also even have this micro SD, 1 terabyte, and all the games that I have installed directly from the Steam, it all goes here. So anyway, aside from this hard case, it's really pristine when it comes to the design. Two bumps, you can actually remove this too, and I guess you can put the original stand, but I have seen that it's already have this, and there is a Legion Go logo, the same with the this power button or the LED design for this one is also the same. So it's really okay. So I have 4 OS, Windows 11, MAKEOVER, Basic, the testing build, and the Basic that used the stable build. So that's how I put all these all together. I think you can ask Mr. Chris Cruz about whatever color you want, but yeah, the one he prepared for me is this brown color, and it's really good actually, guys. You see, and you see this magnets. There will be a reason for that later on. I will show you. And the other thing that might have made some adjustment or customization myself is I added this cell phone screws. So the screw on the phone, I put it inside the tube of the pen. Right after that, I put marine epoxy. The reason for that, I put this all 4 pieces of this, is I want to put some grip on that, and I will show you that on. Like you see, even the pads at the right on the left. Yeah, it's all covered also that. So I don't know how it sticks well, but for me to secure the uh, this covering, I put some glue, a small amount, the edge, both side. So might accidentally lose this side. I just only made it myself just to make sure you're that one. Okay, so it also came with this Bluetooth keyboard. So you see this is the magnet, right? It also goes there. Okay, so yeah, you see that? And the screw that I put inside are at the bottom. They are also uniformly being I drilled some uh, spaces here. Make sure that this two bottom screws will just go on. They'll just go on straight when I put this. Okay, I will show you now what's the purpose for that. So basically, I just bought these two. These are two separate products. This is the metal alloy clamp for tablets or for the Legion Go, iPads, and Android tablet. The other one, I think it's like for the bicycle handle. But there's the reason for that. I have this on the bed while playing games. Okay, so I put the Legion Go here without having to endure the weight of the Legion Go. So yeah, the reason for this screws is that okay. So yeah, this is what will happen if you have some wall mount. The Legion Go while you are playing a game. Will not gonna lose any how much pressure you are giving or tension when you are playing. Especially me, I'm playing Mobile Legends, and there were really cases that I am so having a lot of tensions. So I already covered some of the stuff that includes on the package for this uh, specially made custom uh, casing. Okay, so what comes here is this other stuff that ring, but I'm good with the brown one. Okay, so this is keyboard packs. So there is no specific brand about it. Just I think it's just a common 7-inch. It's common 7-inch Bluetooth keyboard. Okay, so let me get the. I guess this one is also have the same purpose to the one that came with the League and Go before. Yeah. For the mouse, the FPS games, this would be great. He also gave me this one, guys, to cover up the if you are playing games with FPS. He said it's really good having this too. Just have to put it here on the stick, controllers, controller stick, okay, where it is. And also, it has something like this, so you can put them together. I put it the wrong way. Yeah, this is how it looks. And the other one is this. Okay. How the Unfortunately, I have this one already, which also have a USB charging port. So I think this one is only optional for me. But still, it's good to know that it included on my order on the custom made that Mr. Chris Cruz made. Okay, and then since I mentioned before, okay, so because I mentioned before that there would be a expansion for the SSD, uh, he also gave me, but you can actually buy it yourself because it's already been on the market. This lifter, I guess they're calling this SSD lift for the Legion Go. So I think it is placed here inside like this. That you have to uninstall the SSD that was there. Legion Go. The one that I have inside is 1 TB. So if I upgrade to 2 or 4, I think 4 is the best. I just have to remove the SSD there inside, put this one, and then there was like a slot inside that this one will goes in, and then the SSD that I have both just in case will goes inside here and just securely fitting inside of this compartment. Okay, so once again, guys, this is Mr. Browse, and if you do like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you need some kind of question other than that what I mentioned, I guess I have to, as I mentioned, I have to leave the link under this video. So check that out. Once again, thank you and God bless.
Hey there, I see you fighting every day. The weight upon your shoulders won't go away. You think you're all alone in this battle you face, but I'm here to tell you there's a better place. My name is Mr. Browse, I know the pain. Been where you are, felt the same strain. I starting from nothing, got scars to prove that even when the world says you can't, you can move. Don't let them tell you what you can't become. Your story is just started, it's not yet done. Rise above, when the world tries to bring you down. Rise above, let your voice be the strongest sound. We can make it through together, you and me, now forever. Rise above, rise above. Taught me something about trying again. Every time you fall, you get back up, my friend. Level after level, you learn from mistakes. That's how we grow stronger, whatever it takes. You tell me your troubles, I'll share mine too. We're not so different, me and you. Filipino pride running through my veins, but struggle is universal, it breaks the same chain. Don't let them tell you what you can't become. Your story's just started, it's not yet done. Rise above, when the world tries to bring you down. Rise above, Experience is my teacher, not my curse. Every scar makes me stronger, not worse.